Okay, I think I just found the tool every faceless creator wished existed, and I'm not exaggerating, this literally feels like cheating.
If you're running a faceless YouTube automation channel, or even planning to start one, you need to see this.
Because Vidx.ai might be the smartest growth and analytics platform I've ever tested time, and I'm going to walk you through it live.
So the first thing you'll notice is this search dashboard. You can actually discover faceless channels by niche, finance, tech, motivation, shorts, gaming, you name it. Now here's the crazy part. You can sort them by subscriber count, growth rate, upload frequency, even video performance. This means instead of guessing what works, you get data from the top performing faceless channels instantly. When I click on any channel, Vidx shows me everything. Growth charts, trending videos, posting consistency. I can even compare channels side by side. So if you're trying to figure out what niche to go into, this is gold. Next, this is where things get scary good. You can filter videos by views, viral index, engagement rate, playthrough rate, all the stuff YouTube doesn't tell you easily. Let me sort by viral potential. Boom. These are the videos that are outperforming their channel average. This alone can help you reverse engineer viral patterns. Thumbnails, style, pacing, topics, everything. Now watch this. Vidx.ai automatically highlights the outliers. Basically, these are videos the algorithm thinks could go viral, or are already breaking average engagement velocity. Instead of waiting weeks to see if your idea works, you get early signals within hours. You can switch between time periods. Last 24 hours, 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, even a full year. This helps you spot seasonal spikes, evergreen trends, and exploding topics before everyone else. And if you love deeper analysis, you can export reports or pull bulk video queries. Perfect if you're running multiple automation channels, testing ideas, or scaling content generation. With faceless channels and AI tools exploding, the people who win aren't the ones posting randomly. They're the ones who post based on data. And Vidx.ai gives you unfair visibility into what performs, what trends, and what to copy or avoid.
If you want to grow smarter instead of harder, try Vidx.ai today. The link is in the description. This is the tool I wish I had years ago, and now it exists.